Hey everyone, welcome to Code with Lord. If you're an absolute beginner and want to learn web development, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll give you a quick overview of what web development is and how you can get started. Let's talk about what web development is. Web development involves creating websites and web applications. It can be divided into three main parts: front-end, back-end, and full-stack development. Front-end development is all about what users see and interact with on a website. This includes things like text, images, and buttons. To build the front end, you'll use languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML, or hypertext markup language, is the backbone of any web page. It structures your content with elements like headings, paragraphs, and links. CSS, or cascading style sheets, is used to style your HTML. It makes your web page look nice by adding colors, fonts, and layouts. JavaScript adds interactivity to your site. It's what makes buttons clickable, forms submittable, and dynamic content possible. Next, let's talk about back-end development. The back-end is like the engine under the hood. It handles the server, database, and application logic. Popular back-end languages include Node.js, Python, and PHP. Node.js is a JavaScript runtime that lets you run JavaScript on the server side. It's great for building fast and scalable web applications. Full-stack developers do both front-end and back-end development. They understand how the entire web application works from top to bottom. Now, how do you get started? Here's a simple roadmap for beginners. First, learn the basics of HTML and CSS. These are the foundational skills you'll need. Then, move on to JavaScript to make your websites interactive. Once you're comfortable with front-end development, you can start learning back-end technologies like Node.js and databases like MongoDB. One of the best ways to learn is by building projects. Start with simple projects like a personal blog or a to-do list app. As you gain more experience, you can tackle more complex projects. Remember, web development is a journey. Don't rush it. Take your time to understand each concept and practice as much as you can. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Code with Lord for more web development tutorials. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. Happy coding!